Welcome to our introductory course about JavaScript. This course is designed to help you explore all the fundamental core concepts and get you started working with JavaScript quickly.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
My name is Lawrence and I'm excited to be your instructor for this course. I've been creating websites for almost 18 years and I'm here to help you learn about JavaScript and ready to answer any questions you may have. Within this course, we're going to be covering everything about JavaScript, how to add JavaScript to your HTML pages, and what JavaScript can do. Essentially, JavaScript can make your web pages come to life. And the course is designed for beginners who want to learn how to build a strong foundation for writing JavaScript code and how JavaScript works. You're going to learn about variables and how they are used to hold values when you're coding and writing JavaScript applications, how you can integrate those variables and set values using operators. Also, we're going to look at ways of holding multiple values in one place, such as arrays and as well as objects, all within JavaScript. Now these are essential starting points to hold these values and manipulate them as you create your code around these values. We're also going to show you all the amazing power that arrays have. There's a lot of built-in functionality for arrays within JavaScript and I'm going to show you how to use it within the course. And then functions. Functions provide even more programming capabilities. They give you the ability to run snippets of code simply by referencing the function name. Also, I'm going to show you some ways to save some time with built-in JavaScript methods that are ready to go in JavaScript right out of the box. Utilize these values within your code to do more. Then conditions and switch statements allow you to execute code depending on the result. So whether that statement is true or false, you can either execute some code or execute some code if it's false as well. And then saving time using loops. Loops allow you to execute and perform executions of code multiple times. So all of this and a whole lot more is included within the course. I've also included all the source code that I use within the lessons so that you too can take that source code, practice it, try it out for yourself, and see what you can do with JavaScript. Everything you need and a whole lot more about JavaScript is within this course. And remember, I'm here to help you learn more about JavaScript coding, and I'm ready to answer any questions you may have. So when you're ready, let's get started with JavaScript.